Alright, let's understand how to do SURYANTRASANA, which is your compass pose. For that, once you are warmed up really nicely, bring your left knee down. Let's do the same side together. So your left knee is down, right knee is bent towards your chest. Let's try to understand how to sit on the hips first. You are actually sitting just on one hip, which is your left hip. Lift your right hip up. Yes? Doing it again. Lift your right hip up. Once you have this clear, bring this right heel towards your face. Bring the right heel closer to you and use your right shoulder to go under. You want to bring it under your thighs. So take your right shoulder just under your right thigh. If you watch, my right hip is elevated. Use your left arm and grab the outer edge of the foot. Not the inner, outer edge of your foot. Use your right arm to place it down. Maybe you want to use a block here. And think of extending. Extending sideways rather than front. This is where majority of us go wrong. You think of straightening like this, which is hard. Think of rotating the knee on the side first. Roll the knees on the side. You will see your leg pointing to the side. And then you want to extend from there. So maintain the same thing while you keep your hands held. Think of straightening. Yes, going from the side, let the knee face your ear. And then extend. Point and look to your left side, towards the left arm. Yes, keep pulling from your left elbow to extend that knee, point that feet. You can also grab your ankle as you do this to extend it more. When you look back, that's your compass pose. If you find stability, you can remove the right hand and just sit on the left leg. Come back and center. That's your SURYANTRASANA. Happy practicing.